tornado.
What the?
They said there's like a fake tornado warning.
Why did I just hear a tornado?
Yes, they do it every
Alarm
Wednesday. The first
again.
one, not every Wednesday. The first Wednesday of every month at 11.
It's coming from the computer and in real life.
Yesterday was a sleep Wednesday, and unfortunately, someone made a mistake and they pushed the wrong button, and it told everybody that it was real. So that's why.
Cause like yesterday, like I had my birthday, it was
Oh no. The tornado alarm. It's back. 2021, the very next day. Hey, the tornado alarm is back.
Right. It was supposed to say this is a test, but as I said, they pushed the wrong button.
They almost had me running my basement by myself. And then I figured out that it was fake because it wasn't like dark and stuff outside.
Yep.
Miss York, I remember last year they accidentally pressed the real button, you know? They accidentally in school they pressed the real button and everybody was scared like when it was like somebody
They pressed the wrong button and I just heard the alert thing like nah, this is the tornado alarm. So I was like, but then they meant to press the test button, not the right button.
You're going to.
Oh yeah, here's my school computer.
4 major spheres and search in
They also heard it.
2 examples of each sphere.
It's 11:01.
How to work.
That's when I started recording. Now it's 11:02.
Some of you are used to slides or to drawings.
Yeah, I am used
Some
to
of you,
slides.
this might be your first time. Okay, so here's how it works. If you want to draw lines and do the 4 spheres like that, you can. If you want to draw X's, if you just want to list them and draw them, you can. But if you would like to draw lines, draw lines. Here, and it lets you draw a line. Then,
Oh, I hear the tornado alarm going off.
Then, if you would like to add another line, you can just click on it and add it. It will add another line. You can move lines. Okay, so that's the line feature. Does that make sense?
I can still hear it.
Okay.
Okay, I can't hear it anymore. Well, I guess I'm going to do something on my school computer now. And it's 11:03 now. It got to be 11:04. And I hope you enjoyed the tornado alarm. Again! Like I said, live, but you don't have to if you don't want to. But okay, so we hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.